Scan and ride. Now Metro One tickets online. Mumbai commuters on the Warsaw Andheri Ghatkopar Metro corridor can now buy tickets with a quick scan of their phones thanks to a new tie-up between Mumbai Metro One Private Limited and Indian Overseas Bank. The facility enables cashless travel through scan and pay and mobile QR ticketing across the 11.4 km line. The memorandum of understanding was signed Metro's office on Thursday with Indian Overseas Bank AMD and CEO Ajay Kumar Srivastava joining virtually from Chennai, while GM Ranjay Kumar Mishra attended in person.